今仔日早起，咱先来关心美国总统川普移到专访的时阵表示，美国暂缓扣对点关税90天，7月初到到期了后，无打算搁再延长。除非这个国家已经甲美国达成协议，若无华府会甲因通知，电发性关税开始生效。
美国总统川普对90天的全球关税暂缓期是未过延长，除非有达成正式的协议，若无会启动天发性关税，并且正紧就会寄出通知，直接通知各国关税税率未过一个谈。
We'll look at how a country treats us. Are they good? Are they not so good? Some countries we don't care. We'll just send a high number out. But we're going to be sending letters out starting pretty soon. No, we don't have to meet, and we will say, congratulations, we're allowing you to shop in the United States of America. You're going to pay a 25% tariff, or a 35%, or 50%, or 10%.
这段访问是27日福斯新闻频道有录离教播出。27这天伫咧北京记者会讲，美国已经甲中国、英国达成协议，也正伫咧甲其他的国家谈。因为全世界有200外个国家，美国无法度甲每一个国家一个谈，所以是寄通知。
This facility was built from 1984 to 1992.
美国本土制造的马考铁供应无够，川普扣高压的关税保护本土的产业，就是工厂的头家许说头毛的收。
In the United States, we can only make about 25% of the tin plate. A can is 50% steel, and the 25% tariffs went in. You're going up about 12.5%. We're tariffing things, which ends up just being a tax for the people.
这间伫咧马里兰州巴尔的摩的独立罐头公司，主要业务是甲倒射钢片做做饼鸭、甘果鸭，也有装咖啡和零粉的罐啊。倒射钢片俗称马考铁，顶头倒一颜色是为了要防止新鲜。专门今年1月搁选调了，对进口的钢铁加阿鲁米扣25%的关税，要搁增加1倍到50%。独立罐头公司讲，照这个办法，因一定要起价。马考铁是因公司生产成本的一部分，上尾的计价可能会增加20%以上。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。